In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily save a video in CapCut without a pro version and free of cost. That's quite simple and interesting. So basically, there are two ways to save your video in CapCut. I will show you both of them. Now, first of all, if I open CapCut application and for example, I am working on a new project, I'll simply tap on new project and for example, I will export this video. Now, for example, I am editing this video and I will add a random effect on this video. I will add animation, for example, this one. And then now I'm done and I want to save it. Now, basically, there are two ways. The first way is to tap the X on the top left corner and it will be saved in your project. And whenever you will open the CapCut again, that video will appear in front of you. And the second way is to save it to your gallery, to your photos, and in order to do that you can tap on the arrow on the top right and it will start the video, exporting the video, and it will be successfully saved to your iPhone's gallery or your phone's gallery. So that's how you can easily save a video in CapCut in 2024. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe